How to delete Messenger account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Messenger account. The first thing is open the app and you'll get an interface like this. Now head over to three line icon that you can find on the top left of your screen, and from here tap on the settings icon that you can find beside your profile, and if you scroll all the way down below you'll find the option account settings. Open it. Here you can see account settings. Now if you go scroll down below you'll find account ownership and control under your information. Now tap on it and go to deactivation and deletion. Now since my account is connected to Facebook, it's my Facebook account that's connected to Messenger, and I need to delete my Facebook account in order to be able to delete my Messenger. So you can read it. To delete your Messenger you'll need to permanently delete your Facebook account. When you delete your Facebook account, your messages and Messenger information will also be deleted. If you have your Messenger account not connected to Facebook, then you can directly delete your Messenger from here. You can continue to deletion. You'll get continue to deletion instead of this continue to Facebook account deletion. I'll just make sure your interface will look something like this, and you can either deactivate, or if you want to delete, tap on delete. Make sure the blue check mark is on whichever thing you want to do, and then continue to deletion, and then it will ask for password confirmation, and once you type in your password your account will be deleted. You can log in back within 30 days, but after 30 days your account will be permanently gone. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.